We have this Jeep that we're assembling right now. It actually has quite a few parts that you have to assemble on this, so just make sure you're prepared for a little bit of time to be able to put it together. The instructions so far, pretty straightforward. What I just had to start doing was I just put the rear support bar in here, and it actually has a bolt that you pull out, and then you put the rear support bar in here and then put it back in. I assembled the wheels here. The motors came already on the rear bracket. One of the cool things about this is that it has a rear shock absorber, so that's pretty cool, being that it's a Jeep. I just got the nuts on this axle here. It's a through axle that you install on there, and then I'm going to have to put together the front drivetrain. So you can see that the steering mechanism is right here, and then I'm going to have to install the bracket on here to be able to get the wheels and the drive mechanism as well. Quite a few steps here, but so far not super challenging, just takes a bit of time. So be prepared for that. We're going to get this assembled, and I'll share any tips and tricks with you. The Jeep is coming together very nicely. Even though there's a few more parts to install on it than I might have thought, it actually is pretty simple to be able to put it together. The instructions are very easy to follow. That makes a huge difference on here. I have the seat on here, all the wheels installed, got the windscreen and the mirrors. So a lot of fun features here. Different too is that there are 2 batteries that go into the steering wheel to be able to control the horn. Some other models come with it wired so that it has more, takes off the battery, but this is a separate battery system. So just a different setup than you might find with some other models. But all in all, really great design here, really cool look to it. I'm just gonna get the final little trim pieces put on here, and this will be ready to go. Like any of these types of vehicles, make sure before you're using it to fully charge it so that you get the most lifespan out of the battery.
Turn it on. I'm doing this. So, this is forwards, and this is backwards. So they had these little, and you can actually see yourself. This car is just great. They have lights, and this is the button to the lights. Right. So I turn them on. Cool, and look. This is how you open the door. You twist the thing up, and then you pull it.
Sweet.
I love playing Captain Roberts with this, and I hope you do too.